Hello everyone, welcome again to my YouTube channel Beauty is Joy Forever. How are you guys? Hope so you are all doing well in your life and stay blessed in your life. Dear viewers, step into the enchanting world of holiday magic with my latest video, Pinecone Elegance. Enchanting Christmas decoration ideas for your home. In this festive journey, I explored the versatility and charm of the pine cones as they take central stage in transforming your space into a winter wonderland. So, dear viewers, get ready to infuse the warmth, rustic charm, and a touch of nature into your holiday decor as we guide you through creative and captivating ways to use a pine cone for the Christmas. So, dear viewers, as the holiday season approaches, there is a timeless allure in bringing the outdoors in, and what better way to do so that with the humble yet versatile pine cone. In Pinecone Elegance, we present a treasure trove of the Christmas decoration ideas that celebrate the rustic beauty and natural elegance of the simple yet enchanting element. So, dear viewer, I suggest you to watch my video till end because in this video you can get very amazing and very stylish ideas for your Christmas holidays by Pinecone and decorations. So dear viewers, if you are new at my channel, please subscribe my channel and share my video to your friends and family member also. So dear viewers, delve into the art of creating the personalized tabletop centerpieces where the pine cones mingled with the candles, barriers and greenery to form captivating arrangement that enhance and warm the sophistications. So dear viewers, we will guide you through the dye projects by my video that turn the pine cones into glittering treasures, adding a touch of sparkle to your holiday display. So dear viewers, subscribe to my channel for a dose of festive inspiration and let the Pinecone Elegance guide you in transforming your home into a heaven of the holiday enchantment. Elevate your Christmas decor with the timeless beauty of the pine cones and celebrate the season with the nature's own ornaments. So, dear viewers, get ready to embrace the spirit of the holidays with my charming and elegant Pinecone inspired Christmas decoration. So, dear viewers, keep watching, stay blessed, and thanks for watching. Take care.